Hi student, today I am going to teach chapter 2 current electricity. From this lesson we will study about electric current and resistor. First one, what is matter? Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. It is made up of atoms. Second one is, what is atom? Atoms are made up of particles like electron, proton, neutron. Electron charge is negative charge. Proton charge is positive charge. Neutron charge is neutral charge. Shape of the atom is spherical in shape. Center of the atom is called nucleus. Nucleus is made up of proton and neutron. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. In between the electrons and nucleus acting some attraction force. That attraction force are called electrostatic force. In between the proton and neutrons acting some attraction force, that is called nuclear force. Then third one, material. Material can be classified into two types. First one is conductor. Second one is insulator. What is meant by conductor? What is meant by insulator? Conductor means allow charge passes through is called conductor. That is, it has free electrons. Example, metal, human body, pond water is a good conductor of electricity. Second one is insulator. Body does not allow through charge is called insulator. It has no free electrons. Example, rubber, plastic, dry wood. What is meant by free electrons? What is meant by no free electrons? Electrons are tightly bound to the nucleus of an atom. Atom shape spherical in shape. Center of the atom is called nucleus. This charge is positive. Inside the nucleus present protons and neutrons. This is called nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So in between the electrons and the nucleus acting some attraction force. That attraction force is very weak. That means it has free electrons, or electrons are loosely packed to the nucleus of an atom is called free electrons. That is called conductor. Next, electrons are tightly bound to the nucleus of an atom. It has no free electron. That is called insulator. Next, next topic is electric current. What is mean by electric current? Here, current means flow of charge. What is mean by electric current? Here, current means flow of charge. For example, copper rod is here. Copper wire is a good conductor of electricity. It is made up of free electrons. The free electrons here, XY, is a copper wire. It is made up of free electrons. The free electrons are in random motion. Electrons are in random motion. here no current is developed because there is no net charge is transferring from one end to another end. Here no current. When potential difference applied by the battery between the end of the conductor XY, the free electrons are moving towards the positive terminal. Here create a current. So current is defined as rate of flow of charge or flow of charge in a conductor is called current. Rate of flow of charges in a conductor is called electric current. It is denoted by symbol I. Current I is equal to Q by T. Here Q represent charge, T represent time. Then SI unit of current, SI unit of current ampere. Its symbol A. Then SI unit of charge, charge coulomb. It is denoted by C, capital C. SI unit of time, second, capital S. With the help of this equation I equal to Q by T, we are going to find current I, charge Q, time T. For example, using this problem I can solve one problem. A charge of 12 coulomb, a charge of 12 coulomb flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Calculate the current flowing through the bulb. Problem: a charge of 12 coulomb, C represent coulomb, flows through a bulb in 5 seconds. S means second. Calculate the current flowing through the bulb. From this question, given data, charge Q is equal to 12 coulomb, time T is equal to 5 seconds. Calculate current I, substitute this known value in this equation. Charge Q equal to 12 coulomb, time T is equal to 5 seconds. So finding current. 2 5s are 10, 20, 4 5s are 20. So 2.4 ampere. So amount of current flowing through the bulb is 2.4 ampere.